What's up guys? I hope you are hungry because I am, and I'm going to be making 3 breakfasts for you guys to show you some really easy, cheap, vegan options for breakfast. If you like anything you see in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more ideas and tips and tricks on this lifestyle.
So peanut butter oats is one of my favorite breakfasts to make. It's quick and easy. I just measure out 80 grams of oats, put in some hot water and stick it in the microwave. I then add peanut butter, and my peanut butter is got no added sugar or salt. Occasionally I add a banana, and that definitely makes it a lot sweeter. And it's quite a filling breakfast. I seem to push my lunch much later in the day when I end up eating this for breakfast. Adding milk is optional, of course. And then I also add a vegan protein powder. In this one I'm currently using the USN vanilla protein powder. And I just mix it all up. Add some granola and some nuts just to make it a little bit crunchy. Spicy tofu scramble, one of my favorite breakfasts. I make a big batch and then I eat it over 3 days. So I use 3 blocks of tofu and I cut them up into squares, and then I always use tomato. I prefer red onion to green onions, and then I also use garlic. I just chop that all up without losing a finger. What's really great about this tofu scramble is that it's a high protein, low carb dish. Really, unless you have it with toast, it doesn't really have any starchy carbs. So I usually just have it as is, and then sometimes I add it with beans, and if I'm really hungry or if I'm going to the gym, then I have it with toast before I go. So for any of you wondering, what I'm using here is a garlic grinder. It's just a little plate with little grooves on it, and then once you strip the garlic, you run it along there, and it just literally crushes up the garlic into a smooth paste, and it's just much easier to use. I will link it down below in case you want to get yourself one. Then all you have to do after you've chopped up everything is heat up some coconut oil on a frying pan, your garlic and then your onions, and then once your onions have softened, you can just add all of your other ingredients and tofu last, and then you just mix it up really fast and the tofu will scramble. Before I add the tofu, I like to add all my spices, so I add lots of paprika and some cayenne pepper, but that's optional, depends how hot you like it, and then I scramble my tofu. With the green goddess smoothie, I start off with 2 frozen bananas, and then I just add about half a cup of my non-dairy milk of choice. I then continue to add my protein powder. I then like to add superfoods to my smoothie, so I'm just using this one, which is just a mixture. It's got a probiotic and a prebiotic and everything biotic. So I just add that into it, but you can add your own superfood mix if you like to have maca powder or whatever. You just add it in. It's a superfood smoothie. I then add half a liter of water, so 500 mils. And then I add some berries, so I had frozen berries here, and then I just had some spirulina, which gives it its beautiful green glow.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos or you want to see more, leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers!